Hi guys, my name is Vinay Kumar. I'm back with another video. Today we are going to discuss about data process shape. Data process shape is used to manipulate incoming data within the process in multiple ways based on the requirement. So now we are going to configure data process shape. I'm clicking on the plus icon. Once we click on the plus icon, we'll have a processing step based on the requirement. You can select the processing step here. So as we are now we are going to discuss about search and replace in this particular video. So find text to find. So the text which we need to find you can give here, and replace with whatever the replacement you want. You can give that character here. And search option criteria, we have entire document at once. This is not recommended for the large documents, and we have incrementally line by line and also incrementally by specified number of characters. Based on the characters, you can just change this character set. Its default is 1024. And now this is a random message with the name, location and id, which is separated by comma. So now I would like to search for the comma and then replace that with replace that. So I'll do the entire document at once, and now we'll check if the comma is replaced or not. I'm testing this on the cloud test atom. I'll just check. This is the data which we got from the message shape, which has a comma. Now it should be replaced by the star dill. It is replaced. So here we need to note a point that searching entire document essentially loads two copies of the document into the memory at the same time. Also, the Java representation of the string uses 2 bytes of the per the character. Therefore, you need to have a equal memory to minimum of approximately 4 times of a document to be processed entirely successfully. So for example, if you have 4 MB document, the roughly you would require about 16 MB of the memory. Thanks for watching the video, guys.